In this video, we'll show you how to download a payment receipt from imaginBank, also known as a payment receipt or transaction confirmation, directly from the app quickly and easily. The first thing we need to do is open the Imagin app and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we'll select the account from which we made the payment or transfer and go to the Transactions section. Here, we'll see all the transactions we've made. We'll look for the payment or transfer we want to get the receipt for and tap on it to open the full transaction details. Inside the transaction, we can check information such as the amount, date, description, and transaction details. Depending on the type of transaction, we may also find an option to obtain or share the receipt. Next, we'll select the appropriate option to download, save, or share the receipt. If Imagin allows us to generate the document, we can usually save it as a PDF on our phone. Once it's downloaded, we can open the file from our Downloads folder and check that all the information is correct. We can also send it through WhatsApp, email, or any other app if we need to provide proof of payment. It's important to select the correct transaction, especially if we have several similar payments, to make sure we're downloading the right receipt. And that's it. As you can see, downloading a payment receipt from imaginBank is a fairly simple process and can be done directly from the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.